Yung kasi, yung kaninang naitanong kay Jen Ray na 6 units, chambers, and parliaments, marami po kasing gustong magtanong, ano magiging kaugnayan niyan sa mga counterpart sa national? Ibig sabihin, yung recombine.
Operation.
Paano magre-recombine sa national? Yung unit chamber and
Okay.
parliament.
If you will read Circular Memorandum 010037, and there are other instructions also on the other 7 codicial books, meron doong mga instructions that the PNP will work with International Police Commission, the Armed Forces will work with the World Defense, yung NBI will work with General Office of Investigation. May mga instructions na yan. All we need to do is pag-aralan natin yung more than 1,000 pages ng 7 codicial books. These 7 codicial books are all official. May record yan sa archives ng Republic of the Philippines. Manawagan tayo, madam. Gusto kong manawagan sa mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na sa mga gustong maging H-World. Yung mga naging members ng H-World sa kung saang lugar man, sana lumagay na lang kayo sa mas tamang, sa genuine na H-World. Kasi if you only want to become H-World because of the account, kayo po malamang madisgrasya lang. Dahil ang pagiging H-World ay hindi para lang dun sa pera na nakikita ng mga nakakaalam, no? And also, pwede kayong ma-estafa because you can even be charged of usurpation of authority because you are using the authority of H-World, hindi naman kayo genuine H-World. And I don't want to do that sa inyo. Gusto ko kayong i-embrace, gusto ko kayong maging kasama. Please, stop whatever wrongdoing that you are doing right now, and please coordinate with us, and we will embrace you for as long as you will be subjective or you will abide by the natural law ng H-World. Thank you very much.
Another question to
Okay.
Yung recombine, hindi na tanong.
Pagtanong,
Okay.
Chairman General, paano po magiging makakapasok sa maging membro ng H-World at magkano po ang registrasyon?
Okay. Ever since from the very, very beginning, walang ibang pwedeng pagsalihan ng genuine H-World kundi sa 01 base. Now, there are marami ang lugar na may H-World, but there is only one place na talagang genuine ang H-World. At the moment, I cannot disclose the place kasi baka naman dagsain yung lugar na yon, no? But we will give you the information kung saan pwede kayong mag-apply to become genuine H-World. Your question is kung magkano, no? From noon pa up to now, it is actually 350 ang membership natin. To cost only yung mga documentations and the security paper, the production of the ID, the lamination, and so forth.
Depende sa location.
But yes, but depends din sa location, ano. Kasi yung I was told by some na kasi ang Mindanao is very far from our place dito sa Luzon. So, you will need to add up a few amounts
Para LBC.
dahil kakailanganin ninyo ma-LBC yan, and then may messenger kayo, mamamasahe yan. So, I'm sure it's not only 350, merong add up lang yan to cost the cover ng expenses.
Will inform them about the designated officers to handle that.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. Regarding ano naman,
Mahal na Pangulo, kami po nandito ngayon, kami mga officers and members ng Real Heavens World United Nations Military Philippine Government. Nananawagan po kami na kami po nandito, handa po kaming tumulong sa ano pong kailangan dutasin ng mga problema ng ating bayan. Kaya subukan nyo lang po kaming tawagan o patawag nyo po kami. At para malaman nyo po na nasa amin po ang hinakailangan yung solusyon sa lahat ng mga problema natin sa bayan. Especially po, nakita po natin yung pangangailangan natin sa depensa natin sa ating territorial means and bounds. Handa po tayong tumulong ng HWORD po sa mga pangangailangan natin para maproteksyonan ang ating sovereign rights. So, yun lang po. Salamat po.
President Rodrigo Duterte, kami po dito sa HWORD ay walang hangad kundi yung ikabuti ng ating bansa at nang masimula na po yung globalization program so that the kingdom of God on earth will be done on earth. So, ang ating pagsisimulan po na dapat na aksyonan ay yung magkaroon ng ugnayan ang HWORD with the Republic of the Philippines. There is already an existing instruction which is called the reconversion. Circular Memorandum 1008 po ito. Sa reconversion po, we are reconverting the Republic of the Philippines into HWORD United Nations Military Philippine Government. That is one giant step towards the divine government. Thank you very much.